Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to make an image sticky on Wix. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and then from here, we can go to the Wix website editor by just clicking Design Site, and then it will automatically open in a new tab. I already have the tab open right here, and then here is my Wix website. So for example, if you want to make an image sticky right here in Wix, so what we can do is that we can just use the pin to screen feature right here. So for example, I'll go to add elements and then go to image, and then you can go ahead and use the image that you want to use. So for example, I'm just going to use a image right here. So maybe I'm going to use this pizza as an example. I can just drag and drop it right here to the Wix website. I can adjust its size like that. And then if you want to make your sticky image, or in other words, so you want to make the image right here follow you whenever you scroll down or scroll up in your website, what you can do, as I said earlier, is use the pin to screen option. So to do that, you can just simply right click on the image, then scroll down, then you should see pin to screen right here. When you click on that, you will have some different options right here for the position of your image. And then for example, you want it right here at the center on the left side, or like the bottom left, top left, center top, top right, center right, bottom right, or center bottom. So it depends on your preference. And then when you set the position, you can also change the horizontal offset right here, as well as the vertical offset. So it depends on your preference. So I'm just going to have the default setting right here. And then now you have your sticky image in your Wix website. Then when you click on preview, you can see that the image is now sticking right here on the left side of your Wix website. Then you can go back to the editor. Then if you want to apply this in your live website, you can just click publish. If you want to change the setting, you can just go ahead, go right here to pin settings. Then if you want to change the location, you can just simply select a location right here, like for example, to the center right. Then it will be applied right away. Then we can now see the image right here sticking to the right. And then if you want to remove it, you can just simply right click again, go to pin settings, and then click unpin this element. Now when we click on preview, we don't have the sticky image anymore. And then that is it. That is how we can make an image sticky on Wix. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.